So I started up Harvey the RV the other day and the service transmission warning came on. I could put it in gear, but it was very clunky. I could drive it, but with the pedal to the floor, it would only go about 20 miles an hour. Yes, this is our 10-week-old 2022 model year Ram ProMaster 3500 Panoramic RV. The good news is that it's completely under warranty and we didn't have any trips planned for a while. I called a local Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, Ram dealership who gave me the number to Chrysler Roadside Assistance. They had me fill out an online form and then contacted a third-party towing service. The towing service came out to our outside storage location since our homeowners association doesn't allow us to park the RV in our driveway. They loaded up Harvey and dropped it off at the dealership. The service center at the dealership said it might take 1 or 2 weeks before they even look at it. I'll update you when I know more.